guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I am back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Julia Hair. I will have all the information and details located in the info section below, and if I can find a discount code, I will also leave that below as well. So here's everything that came with my wig, and I was really excited to get this little ring. I'm gonna wear it. Watch, I'm gonna wear it. But this is the wig that I have. I have their 13 by 4 inch kinky curly lace frontal wig, and this is what it looks like. It has that beautiful kinky curly texture. This wig is also pre-plucked. It has the curly baby hairs, and they have their new ultra thin wig cap. It has that super thin mesh cap, making it super breathable. You also have that removable adjustable strap, so therefore you get a custom fit every time you wear your wig. So as usual, I'm going to go ahead and customize my wig to my liking. I'm going to start off with bleaching my knots, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. So I've allowed the bleach to sit on the knots for about 30 to 40 minutes or so. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse off. I did switch up my method just a little bit. I'm now using a clarifying shampoo to remove the bleach. I find that this really gets the bleach off of the actual material on the wig, just because whenever I use the Colors bleach, for whatever reason, it likes to stick to the material of the wig. So using a clarifying shampoo definitely helps remove that. And then you can use your regular shampoo like I'm using my silicone mix shampoo just to further, shampoo the hair, followed by my silicone mix conditioner. If you're a beginner, you definitely can bypass this step here, but I will be thinning out the perimeter of the hairline just a little bit. Now this wig is already pre-plucked, making it a whole lot easier for a lot of us. However, I just tend to like to kind of customize my wigs for my liking, so I will be thinning out the hairline just a little bit. I am going to pull up those baby hairs just because I want to leave those intact. I will be doing something with those a little later on, so stay tuned. But I'm just going to go ahead and tweeze behind the hairline per usual. When I wake up in the morning, then I do I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls them a random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh, yeah, dark, she, yeah. No, they do me, she, yeah. You wanna come, move, fair. Now you, I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, oh.
Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. I know. I said nobody.
Y'all, when I tell you that this wig makes the best afro, like, it is absolutely gorgeous. But I did find a few of these products at CVS that I kind of wanted to try out. So I'm going to be redefining the curls on this wig. So I found this water-based leave-in spray, and I think it's more so like a refresher. I'm not too sure, but I spritzed that all over the hair. And then I found this detangling defining brush on Amazon, and you guys, I will leave a link below. Go pick this up. Go get it right now. You guys need it. I don't care if you're using it on your wigs, if you're using it on your natural hair. Go get this brush right now. Stop what you're doing. Pause the video. Go get this brush. Like, I love this brush so much. But I also found this gel also by African Pride. Once again, I found it at CVS. I'll leave a link in case you guys are interested. But I am just using this to clump the curls together. And when I tell you guys, this wig, it was just working for me. Like, everything I was doing to it, it was clumping together. It was redefining. It had that gorgeous shine. Y'all, get this wig. Y'all need this wig in your life.
I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Original Batman. John Tricks on the beat.
So this is a few days later. The wig is completely dry, but you guys do notice that the lace is a little too light for my skin tone. So I'm going in with a little bit of my foundation just to apply it to the wig. This gives you a temporary fix. However, if you want a more permanent fix, definitely look into using Rit synthetic fabric dye on your lace. It is a bit of a step. However, I have plenty of videos that showcasing how I'm able to do it. Once again, this is just a quick fix, just in case you're just, want to get out the door real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on. You guys see how this wig is looking. I'm going to go in with my Melt Me Down spray to temporarily adhere this wig down. And I'll see you guys once I'm done with that.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I mean my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me. Way I put it down. Jagaban, them I call me number one. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't understand, never putting on the show, on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I ringing up the show on the low. Man, I killing up the show, let them know. Man, I cooking up the flow. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I mean my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me. Pass me the Hennessy, let me tell you what I see. It is written in the stars what I see. She a tell me say her boyfriend YC. Man I feeling so icy, vibesy. Man a bad man, you can call me YB. And I step in at the yard with no ID. And we a bossy down with no Ivy. See the girl them pull up. See the man them turn up. In at the yard them a burn up. Till the morning them a turn up. See the girl them pull up. See the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up. Till the morning them a turn up. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I mean my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no no bagger can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't.
So you guys, get into this wig. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am in love with this one. Now, my biggest issue that I have with like kinky curly textured wigs is that at the very top of the wig, like towards the lace, it's always kind of straight, making it look super like unnatural and unrealistic. However, with this wig, it has that texture all the way from the roots on down, making it look super realistic, and I am here for it. You guys, check that out. It literally looks like I grew it myself, and I'm here for it. But once again, you guys do check out Julia Hair. I will have all the information and details located in the info section below. Once again, this is their 13 by 4 inch kinky curly lace frontal wig. It does have that ultra thin wig cap, making the wig super breathable, and it also has that removable adjustable strap, so therefore you can customize the fit to your head shape. Once again, if I can find a discount code, I will leave it below. But let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.
Jackaban, them I call me #1. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't stand, never putting on the show on the road.